Welcome to yoga. Let's begin in a seated position on your mat. Meet me in easy seated pose or any seated position that works for you. Then take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in and out through your nose, take a deep breath in and feel your belly expand. If it helps, take your hand to your belly. Deep breath out, feel your belly contract. Again, deep breath in, feel your belly and your chest expand together. Deep breath out, belly and your chest contract together. This time, deep breath in, belly and your chest and your side ribs all expand, inflating together at the same time. And as you breathe out, your belly, your chest, and your ribs all deflate together at the same time. And continue using this 3D breath, inhaling, feeling your whole torso inflate at the same time, including your side ribs, even your back. And as you exhale, feel your whole torso deflate and contract together at the same time. This is the kind of breath that will keep you calm and focused, not just in your practice, but throughout the rest of your day. So using this breath as much as you can, remember it's a practice. Lift your chin up towards the ceiling. And as you do, you should feel a stretching sensation in the muscles underneath your chin, your jaw, in your neck. Remember to relax even your eyebrows and your jaw. From here, lower your chin down towards your chest and continue breathing smooth, deep, and slow, using your 3D breath to massage the muscles in your upper back, your neck, your traps, wherever you feel it. Then draw your chin back to center and take a twist to the right. With your left hand on your right knee, your right hand planting behind you, turn your chin to the right so you're turning through your shoulders. And as you twist and compress your torso, notice how the sensation of your breath might feel different. No judgment, just observation. And for a new kind of stretch, reach your right arm up to the ceiling as you turn your torso forward. Keep your left hand where it is, and then cross your right arm over your left so you can take your right hand to your left knee. Then tuck your chin, round your spine, and breathe. Moving slow, lift your chin up. And keep your right hand where it is as you reach your left arm behind you for a twist to the left. Notice the difference in sensation as you twist through your torso and as you breathe through that twist. From here, let's add that X stretch. Reach your left arm up to the ceiling as you turn your chest forward. Big breath in as you breathe out. Use your left hand to grab onto your right knee, crossing your arms, tuck your chin, cave your chest, round your spine. Breathe. And slowly lift your chin up. Release both arms and stretch them out by your sides so your fingertips barely graze the mat. Then reach your left arm up to the ceiling. Big inhale. And as you exhale, dive to the right, opening up your whole left side body. And be mindful that you're not caving forward. Keep your chin up, shoulders stacked, and shoulders relaxed. Now come back to center, lower your left arm down, reach your right arm up to the ceiling for a big inhale. Exhale, dive to the left, stretching out your whole right side body. This is the kind of stretch that will allow you to breathe deeper as you stretch the intercostal muscles between your ribs. That's what you're feeling here. Then slowly rise, release your arms down and walk your hands forward as you inhale to pull your chest forward. Exhale, hinge at your hips as you walk your hands forward, lowering down onto forearms, maybe your forehead down onto your hands or even down onto the ground. Relax. And feel your breath travel up and down your spine, creating space in your lower back and hips. Now we will flow that sequence again, one breath, one movement. You won't get as deep of a stretch, but you'll improve your body's mobility and fluidity. There's always a lesson to be learned. So take your time as you slowly rise. And this time switch which leg is in front of the other. So you're going to sit in the more awkward position, the one you wouldn't normally sit in. Use your 3D breath as much as you can and inhale to lift your chin up to the ceiling. Exhale to lower your chin to your chest. Inhale to lift your chin up. Exhale, twist to the right. No X stretch this time. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, twist to your left. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, hands long by your sides. And as you inhale, reach your left arm up to the ceiling. Exhale, dive to the right. Inhale, left arm reaches up. Exhale, down to the mat. Inhale, right arm reaches up. Exhale, dive to your left. Then reach your right arm back up. Lower it to your mat. Walk your hands out in front. Take a big inhale. Exhale to hinge at your hips and fold forward. And hold. Notice any new sensation. And take your time as you slowly rise, coming back into your seated position. Notice how you feel. Bring your hands together at heart center. And one more time, come back to your intention for your practice. And thank yourself for rising to the occasion, for taking this time for you today. The rest of your day will be so much better for it. From the light in me to the light in you. Namaste.